Hello children, welcome to the Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss in the part of assignment number 2, 6th class chemistry. Our topic is separation of substances. In this assignment total we have 5 questions. Now let us discuss one by one. Our first question is, give a brief description about filter paper. Give a brief description about filter paper. See here, it is the filter paper is a sieve. Okay, filter paper, it is just like acts as a sieve, okay, which is made of paper. Okay, filter paper which is acts as a sieve which is made of paper. Okay, that filter paper is made of a paper which has very fine holes. Okay, that filter paper has very small tiny holes, so we can use the filter paper for very small particles using this type of sieve. For example, if any one chemical reactions, if there is any precipitation, PPT, if there is any precipitation means if there is any insoluble substance is formed in a chemical reaction, we can separate this precipitation by using this filter paper. Okay, so clearly filter paper is a sieve made of paper which has very small tiny holes, and we can filter very small particles using this type of filter paper. Okay, for example, like in chemical reactions, if at all any insoluble substances are formed means we can separate that insoluble substance by using this filter paper. Okay, next second question. What is sediment? For example, if you take the mixture of soil and water in a container or in a tumbler, after some time, if you keep undisturbed for some time, after some time, that water and soil will separate at bottom of the tumbler. Means, okay, soil settle at the bottom. In the mixture of soil and water, after some time, that soil will settle at the bottom in the tumbler, so that in the sedimentation process, soil settle at the bottom, so that is called sediment. Okay, tumbler. Okay, if you take, it is a tumbler. In this we have to take water, mixture of water and soil. Okay, if you keep undisturbed for some time, after some time we will observe that this soil, all the soil particles will settle at the bottom of the tumbler, so this is called sediment. This is called sediment. Next, third question. What is sedimentation? The process of settlement of heavier particles. The process of settlement of heavier particles to the bottom of the container or vessel, that is called sedimentation. Just now we have discussed about that. Such process is called sedimentation. Okay, whatever the heavier particles which are settled at the bottom, these heavier particles are called sediment, which are settled at the bottom. That heavier particles are called sediment. Such process is called sedimentation process. This process is called sedimentation process. Clear? Next, fourth question. Divya suggested some methods to separate mixtures given below. Are they correct? Find whether they are possible or not. Give reasons. First, A. Pure water can be obtained from sea water by the process of filtration? No. Okay. See here, pure water cannot be obtained from the sea water. Okay. We cannot obtain pure water from sea water by filtration, but we can obtain by the process of distillation. By the process of distillation, we can obtain pure water. Next, B. Cheese is removed from curdled milk by the process of decantation? No. By the process of decantation, we cannot remove the cheese. Okay, here cheese is removed by the process of crystallization, but we can make it by churning. Next, see, separation of sugar from tea can be done by the filtration. No, obviously we can say that sugar cannot be separated from the tea by the process of filtration. It is wrong. Okay, here we can separate the sugar from the tea, but only by the process of evaporation we can separate the sugar from the tea. Okay, next, come to the fifth question. How do you separate mud and sand from muddy water? Okay, just now we have discussed about this. Such a process is called decantation process. Okay, separation of mud and sand from the muddy water. That process, such a process is called decantation. Okay, take a mixture of soil and water in a glass tumbler. Okay, water and soil. We need to take soil and water in a glass tumbler and keep it undisturbed for some time. We will find that the sand and mud particles in the soil settle down at the tumbler, glass tumbler. These are called sediment. Whatever the heavier particles which are settled at the bottom, those soil or sand particles are called as sediment. Okay, such a process is called sedimentation process. After sedimentation, the tumbler is gently lifted and the tip of the tumbler is inclined on the edge of another tumbler without disturbing the sediments. The water gets separated from the sediment. Finally, that water gets separated from the mud. So, such a process is called decantation process. Okay, hope everyone understood. Thank you.